Hi everyone, this is Leah with Rusty Pearl Crafts, and today I'm going to show you how I made this Sugar Skull Halloween wreath. All the supplies I used to make the wreath I got from the Dollar Tree. I got this Sugar Skull cardboard cutout. I think it's cardboard. These pipe cleaners. This metal wreath ring. Some decorative mesh, and some ribbon. The other tools I used are a hot glue gun, scissors, and glue sticks. So what I'm going to do first is make these little clusters. I'm going to show you how to make them. So what I did is I cut 5 inches of the mesh of each color. So I have a little this little ruler that I measured, and I just measure 5 inches. And then just cut it across. And then I put this on top of the other mesh roll and just cut it the same length. If you have a rotary cutter, you can use that too. And then do the same with the black. And with the ribbon, I did 8 inches. So and then same thing with this thin ribbon, also 8 inches. And I cut a little V into each ribbon, like this, on each side. And then this ribbon also. And then I'm gonna need a pipe cleaner. So what I ended up doing is I cut the pipe cleaner in half. So I just need just half of a pipe cleaner. And then just bend this in half. So let's put this together. So I took the orange mesh and I just rolled it up. And then put it in between my fingers. And then I took the black one. Roll it up. Put it between my fingers. Then the yellow. And then in between my fingers, and then the ribbon, like this. Make sure you hold it tight, and then this ribbon. And then with the pipe cleaner, just put it between like this. Try to keep it tight, and then just twist it a couple times. And there you have a bundle. So let me move this out of the way. So what I did with the first bundle, I secured it in the middle on these 2 wires. So I'm gonna work on the bundles and putting the bundles on the wreath, and then I'll put the sugar skulls on the wreath. So I'll be back. And there you have it, a sugar skull Halloween wreath using Dollar Tree items. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.